Everyone, hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev and just wanted to quickly share with you my story. I'm an immigrant from Fiji Islands. I'm currently residing in Sydney, Australia, and I got three beautiful kids. And working hard as a truck driver, it was like really challenging when we first had our first son, because most of the time I was at work, which allowed me to spend no quality time with my kids and my family. So I needed to find something which I can do on the side, which can allow me later on to even quit my job, right? So, and after doing a lot of due diligence, I finally stumbled upon this business model, all-in-one business model. You might have seen it, right? And the amazing thing about this business model is there's going to be a lot of support, community help that you're gonna get, and it's really beginner friendly. So I, as a truck driver, I didn't have any experience in the online space, but when I first found this, just like you, I was very skeptical, right? Because I didn't have any technical knowledge, right? But all the training, support, mentoring was provided. And now I am doing the same. Like, I'm providing people quality training and support every single step of the way. And once you join my team, you're gonna get set up. Like, we're gonna set up your everything in the back end. So once you join, it's all gonna be set up. So, and we can also share with you the strategy we actually using, which is all going to be in the training. And you will also be invited in our Facebook group and also messengers chat. So if you have any issues with anything, you can always reach out to people who are actually doing the same business model. Like, this business has allowed me to spend more quality time with my family, my kids, be able to travel the world and to do the things that I love to do. So if you are out there who actually need a plan B, and also if you're looking to retire early, there's no business model out there like this. So I'll leave a link in the description. You can check it out. Click on the link and it will take you to a page where you can see, like, step by step. And what I tell my team, connect with me on Facebook, so that way I can add you to my private Facebook group. We can start sharing. I can share with you about this amazing business model that we have in here. And you might be thinking about joining other program, but let me tell you this: there's so many other online programs out there, but why this one is so different and unique? Because the amount of support, coaching, mentoring you're gonna get, and you don't even need to be a tech savvy person. So I look forward to helping with you and being here for you, supporting you every single step of the way. So click on the link below and I'll be more than happy to connect and to get you started. Thank you again. Bye for now.